Title: The Skyward Islands, Time Traveler's Quest Story. In a quiet town on Earth, four curious kids, Lena, Max, Emma, and Jake, discover a mysterious ancient map hidden in their school library. The map shows the location of floating islands high above the clouds, each filled with magical creatures and animals with extraordinary abilities. Intrigued, they share the map with their eccentric science teacher, Mr. Potter, who reveals a secret. He has been building a time machine in his attic for years. Together, the group embarks on a daring adventure. With the time machine, they travel to the mystical Skyward Islands, where they encounter creatures like the Whispering Griffins, who can communicate with their thoughts, and the Luminar butterflies, whose wings can light up the darkest paths. But something is wrong, the islands are losing their magic. And the balance of time and space is unraveling. As they explore, the kids learn that the Skyward Islands are connected to both the past and future of Earth. To restore the island's magic, they must solve a mystery that spans across time. Their journey takes them to the ancient past, where they meet the island's original guardians, and then to a distant future, where they see the consequences of losing the island's magic. Along the way, they face challenges that test their courage and friendship. They must decode ancient riddles, outsmart creatures guarding powerful artifacts, and navigate treacherous landscapes where time behaves unpredictably. In the end, the kids discover that the island's magic is tied to a powerful time crystal, hidden deep within the heart of the largest island. But the crystal has been fractured, causing time to destabilize. With the help of the magical creatures, the kids must reunite the crystal's pieces, restoring the magic to the islands and stabilizing the flow of time. After completing their quest, the kids return to Earth, but they know their lives will never be the same. The adventure has changed them, giving them a deeper understanding of the world and the power of friendship. They keep the time machine ready, knowing that one day, they might need to embark on another journey to protect the Skyward Islands and the magic that connects all worlds.